Welcome, people. Papa are in the house, even though Mama Joan house today, no, Papa are take over things today, no, Papa run the house today, no, because here, guys, Mama Joan gone a road. Me know say a casco she gone because I know she love her casco thing. But here, me a plan to run a little thing for Mama Joan when she come in here now. Because me gonna make you say, me have no tell no where me have. Me gonna show no where me have. Guys, look on this. Me have my computer, my laptop, me have my Vaseline, me have my tissue paper, and me have all my...
Nope.
So, them they are the thing them way me have a go play with Mama Joan today. You wanna see guys? So I know say today I'm gonna run thing me around.
Here we go.
You know the thing go now. Lock up all the blinds them. Blinds lock. I'm gone all out today. I'm gonna go watch her till she come. So you see anytime she come now, she'll come catch me and have fun by myself. Me I try for sure. I say, my girl, you can't go do your thing, you know. But me I go enjoy my thing, see me till you come in and by the thing me I wait for you, you know. Because a man can do things for myself, you know. Yeah, so that's my program today. So you see when Mama Joan come today now, she'll catch me in the act, having fun with myself, and she not even there. So guys, make you see the impression or the expression which you're going to have today upon her face when she come she say, me I work without her. So guys, make you get to this thing here and so it going to work out later. Okay guys, this is the thing now. Mama Joan come now and so me see she drive up, you know. So yes, guys, she on her way. So now everything going to emotion, you know. So watch this. Yeah, Mama Joan. We are doing it, Joan. Joan, we are doing it. Me never...
Hey!
What? Me think I'm a casco, my girl.
Look how long we're gonna casco. What the f*** you doing?
Me not do nothing. Me just stay and look on the toilet paper.
You not do nothing?
No.
So what the f*** you do with toilet paper?
Nope.
On the floor?
I don't mind condom them there. You know, say...
What my Vaseline I doing here?
I know you use it. I know you have the Vaseline. No, me
In
never...
here, you said what? Alright, what in here? What are you doing in here?
Me not do nothing, Joan. Me just sit down and me see the door open.
So we are doing blanket.
You feel cold. You have the out in your cold.
The AC is not on. The AC is not on, so you cannot be cold. So what the hell you are doing in here?
With
blanket and toilet paper. What are you doing here, Harry?
Me just stay and sit down and watch TV.
Well, there's no TV in here.
No, me could have seen a TV me watch. Me not do nothing only. Me just sit down in here. Me not do nothing.
Don't tell me.
So what?
Say you're in here. I watch a red movie, not a blue movie. Not a green movie. Don't tell me saying I watch green movie.
No, I think that me I watch. Me I watch pan YouTube.
You watch me on YouTube?
Pan the YouTube.
So
yes.
so you don't need them stuff here in here for
I
watching
don't
me.
have them in here.
So I never put these in here.
You sure?
I'm not sure. Me know some.
Me don't know. Them something here. Me never see. You know, me never even see them, Joan. I hear them I did there. Me think, you just put them down. You put them down.
Why would I put lotion in here and toilet paper in here, Harry?
Me don't know what you're doing in your room.
Why you just spit out a condom?
I mean spit out that? Me no know. Hold on there a second. Hold on.
So what you do with blanket?
My foot kind of cold.
Your foot cold?
My foot kind of cold and it kind of have it.
My youth.
You know?
I don't know what were you doing in here.
I tell you already, I wasn't doing nothing on it. I was just in here sitting down. I think TV did it. I never even noticed.
This not look right at all. This do not look look right at all. This look like something wrong with you.
No, man, everything.
Something have to be wrong with you.
No,
you understand me?
No,
you say your food cold. You have blanket above your floor. But there's no, the AC is not on. There's no AC on in here.
When you have that window, they open, you know, the blinds them, and the blinds them locked.
The blinds them closed. There's no window open. So where you get window open from?
Only me not know, you know, because me not do not, you know, me not anything me want to come to you.
It not look so. It not look so because you find yourself in a different dimension now.
No, but me I say, me not know how them things I'm coming here, me never even see them. Me in here and think over there somebody I watch TV. I never realize I come here or come up.
Wait. You think you're watching TV in the family room and then you're in the living room? So how could you be thinking you're in the family room and watch TV and then you end up in the living room?
Over them did that, but when me come, me look through the window.
Which was just make. Why all of that make?
Because you confuse me, because
how am I confusing you?
Because I tell you, say, me over there so I watch TV and then me come over here so I look through the window to see if you come. But then by the time I look through the window now, I say, my back start hurt me, I come sit down here so. But me no know, me come back and see the whole
But why were you looking for me? Why were you looking for when we come in? Why were you looking outside for when I'm coming home unless you were up to no freaking good? You have to be up to no good. You never look for me and come home, eh?
No, me hear like somebody.
You in here so watch TV.
Yes, I hear like somebody drive up in the driveway on it. So me come in here so
all the way from over to the other room there, you could have heard. So you come back in here. So okay, so why is the door closed then?
I never closed that door on it.
Yeah, but I just bring the back. I just have to struggle for open the door to put the box in here. So I don't understand that. You're not making no sense to me. You understand me? You're not making no sense. You're trying to peer for out of my ears. Because you tell me one thing, but you do another thing.
Over there, somebody did there. And me hear like somebody drive up to the driveway, so I come over here, so now, come looking at the driveway. But then when me look, nobody never in there, so me sit down a little bit, I rest my back. Next thing me know, say, are you, me see come in the room, I say, what that? What?
But you rest your back with blanket.
Because my foot cold on it.
Type me just your spit out. Okay, so explain how you spit out that magnum on the ground. Why is your how you spit out? Where you with magnum to spit it out on the ground?
Oh
magnum, my God! Magnum. Where with magnum to spit out the magnum on the ground?
I come into the room and I see them on the ground and
I just see you spit it out, Harry.
You see me spit it out?
Yes, I see you spit out the magnum.
Me did I ask you where you get them there from? Because that look like something, me don't know, me don't
No, but you spit it out. That's what I'm saying.
You sure you see me spit it out?
Yes. I saw you spit it out of your mouth. So you can't, and then I saw you throw the
I know you put the Vaseline over there, so that was there when I come in here.
I saw you throw it, Harry. I don't need my glasses to see. I was right in front of you when I see what you did. You understand me? So
you can't even explain now because right now, me don't know. Me no know on it. Because me there today, I just feel like me cold. And me in another room there, over there so feel chilly. So me I say, me come over here so come look where I go on outside.
You said that already? But we don't believe you. I do not believe you.
Are you a regular practicer? You never believe that, don't you?
I don't believe you.
No, me don't even know. Me think I you
need to tell me what you're doing here. You need to tell me what you're doing here. Because me know say, me make you happy. Me know say me make you happy. Are you just not satisfied? Are you need for other? You need more than what you get.
No man, me happy with everything when me I get on. Me not have no
it problem. It looks so to me.
Me not have no, but you know more time you want to experience where me not really, you know, you go on a road and you take too long to come back and me get some. You have to work out that thing for myself. No? That sound good?
Well, me I try understand. I'm trying to understand
but
what you were doing.
But each
you
time
understand me?
Tell you something. It's a lie me I tell. So I am trying to explain to you, but you're not giving me a chance to explain. Me no know, me come in and come see them. Me see the condom, me just take up the condom and by the time me look, I would have to say I come through the door. But me I take up the condom and I say, What my wife do with condom?
So you spit out the magnum. You spit out the magnum. You spit out the magnum when you see me come through the door.
We just take it up off of the table here, so
yeah.
I have my mouth and I say, wait them here. And by the time I look at you come through the door. I don't knock, nothing on it.
Why me not expect to see nobody in here, so why am I gonna knock? When I bought anything, I always put it in here till I already
yeah, but when you come and you see a door lock, it always...
No, I don't expect to see you in here undercover. I never expect to see that. So I don't normally knock this door and I don't normally have it locked anyway. So I just open it and come inside. You understand? I lock it in because I don't want Milo in here scratch up the chair.
But next time you come and you see the door lock, man, if you knock first before you come in, you can't come catch man half guard and you come create excitement.
Well, you is a nasty motherfucker. That's all me have to tell you. If you was in here having fun by yourself, you's a nasty motherfucker.
Deny.
Now stop saying that. I shouldn't be in here trying to have fun by yourself.
First of all, you know, me go into them things.
I don't know where you're into from what you don't.
When you go through the door this morning,
yeah.
I said, wait till you're gone. As a prank, me I work on you know, so this was just a prank me I try to make me see your expression and say, boy, you feel know now, say, you now work with me good enough, you need some more work.
Only child,
so it's a prank.
You can't tell me say this is a prank.
No,
I don't
sorry.
I don't know what you were doing. I don't know what you were doing.
You know me already, you're not into them.
And Milo never in here with you. The lock up, blinds lock, door lock, Milo never in here, so I don't know what you were doing. So if you want to say a prank me.
It's a prank. No, honey, it's just a prank. You know me not in a them thing, honey.
I don't know what
I'm a good wife, sweet, nice you, like you. And you give me anything more want. Then what me I go play.
So why would you choose to prank me like that?
Because you see, I want to put some ideas in there and make you take more time before you go. Say, this man here up to no good. At any time, you know I mean that at any time. So I was just putting it out there. But you don't need any money. I mean, I have a good old wife. Prank me, I prank you. Condom. You see the condom not even open.
It's Magnum.
I don't condom.
Magnum, I like me see Mark on it. Magnum, whatever it is a Magnum. What you do with Magnum anyway? What you doing with that?
You know, like me have the for about 20 years.
You know what, you is something else. You is something else. And it's...
Honey, you know your husband already just love you so much. Just a prank you. I don't know.
What fucking ever. Whatever.
I don't know what you're here. I don't know what you take me for.
You take me for a damn idiot.
What if
I know what we take you for. You do all kind of
Okay, so you know it go.
Okay, we know it go.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay guys, now come to the end of the video now. I hope you guys were entertaining now. So Mama Joan, what do you think? Did you get guts?
Well, you know what guys, him got me because I never expect Papa Arife keep up them foolishness. Like me expect him to do crazy but not this. Like not this crazy. So you know what, him get me, but you know as me always say, two can play the same game. So my time I go come with me, I go do whatever. But it's all good. We have to just keep it on the down low. So anyway guys, we come to the end of the video and we want you to like, subscribe and hit my post notification belly things of mine so you don't miss a post when I post. And you see him prank me guys, may I ask for him still. Give me 10k likes on this video, yeah.
Plus a prayer.
Plus a prayer for him for when me I go do back to him, guys. So anyway, guys, is it that me or him we see in the next one? But trust me, I'm not gonna go see me before I see him. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make Scotch banded pepper heat up underneath him belly. Okay, guys. So we see you in the other one.